you wouldn't even wave me on, man. I appreciate it. It's been a while since I've been out driving. Very interested in seeing how this new camera setup is going to work. It's not perfect, but I'm hoping that it does well. So we're gonna go for a little drive around the neighborhood and see how it goes. It's 25 degrees outside. I was going to film outside today, but just it being 25 and the wind blowing, it just doesn't make for a good time at all. So I don't know what the audio quality is going to be like. I don't know what the sound is going to be like. The wheel bearings on the car are going out in the driver rear. I changed one of them, but they're like $300 a piece. So it wasn't that bad. So I decided to just wait it out. Car has E85 in it. It's currently at E71. So it should be a little fun to drive. Okay, so it's a little back road here. I don't really drive that much on it. I want to be nice to my neighbors. But I'm hoping I can get some footage kind of going in the other direction. Maybe I might use the windshield a little. Nah. Oh God, Jesus, the road's bad here. The glare from the sun is just terrible. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to drive the other way so that I'm driving away from the sun. Slow down here over this blind hill. God, Jesus. Whoa. Nice action here. Nice little bridge here. God. This is crazy. I don't remember this road being like this at all. I think a portion of this is a gravel road, so we do need to slow down a bit. They're pretty well maintained. This one was really bad, so I always tried to avoid it. Oh God. You might ask yourself, why are you going down this road? I don't know. Car's a daily. I'm not gonna cry about it. Yeah, it's flinging up some rocks. Car's meant to be driven. Oh wow, there's a down tree in the middle of the road. Oh God, Jesus. Seriously? They didn't even call and like, Jesus Christ, they didn't even call. Look, he's driving his BMW on this. They didn't even call and say that there's a tree in the middle of the, oh God, Jesus. They didn't even call to say that there's a tree down and that they should come cut it. Like, the county would cut it in like so quick. I mean, it's not like they're super busy, but hey, it is what it is. Really gives some good road here. Nice hairpin. moved to Georgia because of this type of scenery. You know, it was just very beautiful. That's why I moved. Wife's calling. Hello, dear.
Okay, very nice. Well, I will let you get back to it.
Alright, I'll start heading back in a little bit.
I love you.
Alright, I love you too, dear.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, the car's cutting up a little bit because of the cold temperatures. It's kind of choppy up top, so you know, just cruising and chilling is probably gonna be what we're gonna need to do today. A little bit of boost, you know. Nothing crazy. Alright. Probably gonna have to turn around here and go the other way, but